Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So spot the diversions. We are on the 8 hour. There's the low, there's the current low, so that's a higher low. Price made a lower low, and then we bounced off. We are in amongst the moving averages here, so I'm not going to read much into that at the moment. It was looking like we had a flag break, and I'll just put this flag in. There it is. But we then bounced back into the flag. So can't really read much into that at the moment. So the only thing that I can read into this is that we are consolidating. Now, it is the end of the month and the end of the week. At the moment we have a bit of a weekly range bar. I think the important thing is just get your highs and lows of the week, current week in like that. There's your range bar. If I come across to the monthly, you actually have a bit of an engulfing bar forming. So nothing really to read into this. This is a range. It's a massive range. It's a big consolidation pattern this year so far. So which is what makes it so difficult to trade. But if we get down to the 3 hour, again below the moving averages, then we got above the 150, and now we're on the 150. So I'm gonna just discredit this, take everything that I see here with a big pinch of salt. There is a level there that we may need to pay attention to, and then there's it's actually a zone, so we'll do that. I'll give you the levels now. I want to see what happens on the hour. Still looked like we had a crossover, then a rejection of the 150, and then down. We do have a trend line break. There is our trend line from the last couple of days. So yesterday we did break it. It's just this morning that we've basically fallen. So it's an Asian session where we're down 200 points. Not that big, but I'm very, very reluctant to get in on this at the moment. I don't believe that there is an opportunity, as you can see, above and below the moving averages on the 15-minute as well. So we've got above the moving averages, and if we sort of stayed above it, then I'd be looking for longs. But the fact that we've now bounced below it again, that's big up, big down, big confusion. I'm not going to get involved in that. I will wait this one out. Last day of the month was always quite volatile, as the bulls and bears try build the monthly bar for what they're going to do for the following month. At the moment, it could end up as a range bar, or could end up as a pin bar, or it could end up as a big bearish engulfing bar if it does fall further from where we are now. So we're kind of poised in the middle of what could happen for the week. And I think if you just go to the 3 hour, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's the high of the week, there's the low of the week. We're not quite in the middle, but if we do push price up into the middle, and it's kind of something around there at 108.425, you're going to end up with a massive range bar with a very small body. And that happens, that's just pure confusion. So that's the way I'm looking at this at the moment. It's pointless trying to second guess it. Just wait it out and let's see what happens. So that's what I'll be doing. We will wait this out and we will look at it again on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend. We'll catch up next week. Cheers for now.